there, I'm Ken, this is CRT, welcome. Welcome to my next Tandy video. If you haven't seen my first Tandy video, it's where I take a TRS-80 MC10 microcomputer and I hook it up to a disc player to load games from. You can check it out up here or down there. Now, to get to the point of this video, a little while ago I got a CoCo 3 computer. Finally. And it needed a little bit of work. Well, oh, by the way, you can check out the unboxing video up there and down there, and I hope you look at that video too. Anyways, very kindly somebody offered to send me some parts for that computer. So a big thank you to Blair from Hamilton, Ontario, Canada, for sending me this stuff. And also, this is my very first mail video unboxing some mail that I got. So I guess there's nothing to do but start unboxing this and then start fixing that CoCo 3. So here is the box. Let's see what's in it. Ooh, check that out. It's the nameplate for the computer, which if you have seen that first video where I unbox it, I'm missing this, so that's a surprise. I wasn't expecting that. So definitely thank you very much for that. And here is a power cable that's more in line with the power cable that should be on there. If you've seen the other video, you know the power cable that's on there, as somebody described it, looks like it's off of a lamp from your grandma's house. And finally, in this nice little anti-static bag, this is a memory upgrade, so I will be taking my computer to 512K. Alright, so there's one other thing that I have to do too. If you've seen that other video, you know that the RF connector broke off and it's right here. I have to solder that back on. Alright, well, let's get to fixing that CoCo 3. And to replace the cord here, just have to desolder these and resolder the new cord, which is right here, onto it. So there's that. And on this board, I need to reattach this inside of here. And then I have to take out these 4 chips and remove C66 and C65 here. And then the expansion board just goes right into these connectors. Okay, so this is just simply desoldering these 2 connections. Okay, so that cord is done. Okay, so that is on there. that in there. And we can put the cage back on top. All right, so that is back together and in place. So we can move this out of the way and get to work on that board. Okay, so next thing we have to do is reattach this. And if you look down inside of here, there's a little pin that sticks up that this has to be up against. And then there's just a couple of blobs of solder on the side to put it into place. So we insert that. All right, well, I didn't do a particularly pretty job, but it seems to be in there, so that will do, because chances are I won't use this all that often anyway, so. Okay, next thing to do is I got to pull these chips out and add the expansion board, and also cut this and this. All right, got to pop these chips out now. So I do not have a chip puller, so there we go, the chips are out. Now, suggest just cutting these out. Cut one leg, it says, to just make sure it's not making a connection anymore. All right, now we will take the expansion board and attach it here. There we go. It is now in. So now we can put this back together and see if it hopefully works. All right, we got the thing kind of back together. Now let's check out this RF connector and see if that worked. There we go. Now, see if it has any memory or not. It does. Okay. So far everything seems to be working. Now, I'm going to get my CoCo SDC and we will try out a game that requires 512K and see if that loads up and works. All right, now we are going to try and load. Ooh, there's still a little bit of a short in there because I didn't do a great job. Okay, well, that was unsuccessful. But, let's see. And that sucks. I guess I didn't do a great job of... But this is loading, and... there we go. Digger 3 has loaded, which means at least the 512K upgrade worked. So I completely stumbled my way through that one. This is the first time I've ever tried upgrading a computer or doing anything like that, so I am just really happy that I got it all to work. And I got that RF output to work by going back in and just bending the tab down a little bit, and now it makes better contact, so there it is. It's working. So the one thing I have left to do is put that Tandy badge on it, but I'm not going to do that yet because I still want to try to clean up the case a little bit more, maybe retro-bright it or something, or try something I saw on Perry Fractic's channel, where he put the computer on a turntable outside in the sun, and that essentially retro-brighted it without having to use any chemicals. I might want to try that. I don't know. I'm not going to put the badge on till I figure out what I'm going to do. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed it because I now have a 512K CoCo 3, and I am stoked about it. Anyway, you know all what they always say, like, subscribe, comment. If you don't like it, thumbs down, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I am going to play some CoCo 3 games. See you next time.